Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Ken. This is Ken's Guitar Workshop, and sit tight because we're about to give away another set of guitar plans. Hey everybody, I'd just like to take a second here to ask you to share my videos wherever you can. That would help me out. Also, if you think I deserve it, please hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, to do so now and click the bell notification button because you're going to be giving away more guitar plans and you're not going to want to miss out. All right, so this set of guitar plans is a little different than the last three. This is probably a little easier set of plans for the novice or even a first-time builder to use. This one comes as two. We got the body plans and the neck plans, and they're separate. I put these together just for you guys. So let's head down to the workbench here and take a look at these.
All right, so what we got here is a very well detailed set of plans for a Telecaster body with all the measurements you could ever want for all you anal retentive people. Everything. Doesn't say what year this is designed after, but it just says that it's, you know, Telecaster body. Like I said, you got everything you could need, all the measurements. And we also have the neck. Pull that from underneath. This one's quite a bit lighter, so it's Telecaster neck with what is it, 20 frets, 21 frets, something like that, with 15, 17, 19, 20, 21 frets. It's set up for doing the skunk stripe type truss rod with the adjustment at the back here. But if you wanted to build this neck, you could just route a channel here, and what I would do is just put a two-way truss rod with the adjustment up here. But there's the back profile, there's the side profile, there's the front. No measurements on this one. You're going to have to basically just go by what's here. But you get the neck plans and the body plans.
Okay, down in the comments, tell me why you deserve to get these plans and be as sarcastic as you can. I appreciate a good sarcastic comment. Anyway, we see you guys in the next video. Behave yourself. Peace. What? What do you want? This is the shop mascot, Bob. Don't ask me, the kids named him. It's my senior citizen cat. He is 13 years old and I'm his favorite human in the whole world. Isn't that right? Who's your pal? Who gives you treats? Oh, you licking me now? Fickle pickle.